The atmosphere.
Our Earth is surrounded by a thin layer of air. This layer extends up to 10,000 kilometers above the surface of the Earth.
It is called atmosphere. Air has no color. It is transparent. You can see through it. It has no smell and taste. But its presence can be felt. Do you know the reason why the mountaineers carry an oxygen cylinder with them? Because the air becomes thinner as we go up, and the supply of oxygen also decreases as we go up.